Hi guys, welcome to my Tech Writer. In this video we are going to see how to disable or enable install from unknown sources on Oneplus 5T Android Orio, that is 8.0. So let's get started. So on your phone, go to settings and navigate to apps. Below the options, select special access and click on install unknown apps. See, we will have the apps that are allowed to install. Apps. See, we will have two options here. Those are allowed and those are not allowed. See, I have Chrome here, which is allowed to install apps. See here, the button. It is enabled. So I can install apps from this app. So I will disable it. So from now on, using Chrome, I cannot install any apps. If you want to enable it, to install apps from downloading through Edge, that is the browser, Edge browser, Microsoft's Edge browser, I will enable the access to it. So we will have allowed here, as you can see. That's it guys.